All right, what we're trying to do is pull this back. We don't have a shop girl, so you're going to have to do.
That's scary.
Go ahead and start cranking.
Okay.
You're just taking up slack in the wheels right now, Lee.
Okay, Alan.
There it comes.
Oh, that's good. I wanted that one off. Okay, go ahead and pull. Don't be bashful.
Well,
oh, look at it come.
Yeah.
Keep going. Now I got my hand on here for a push down. I'm just so it doesn't sling up at you.
Go ahead and pull. Okay. That pulled quite a bit. That pulled this here.
We got, all that came out now.
Yeah.
yeah, we just gotta.
We may have to do that a couple more times.
All right. We got this coming out pretty good. So now we're going to work on down here. Not so good.
It came out some, didn't it?
Not so good.
It, there's no way to cut this panel and get behind it.
No. Nope.
I'm thinking that needs a weld the pin, heat it up, and then give it a pull.
Yeah.
In that ditch.
In that ditch right along in here, light the whole thing. A couple pins.
Maybe just the map torch.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of gentle heat.
Get it not a bright red, just a little red. I'll get that one ground out. So we can heat and beat and bend to fit some more. Put one right down there where it was. And then we're going to put one up a little higher. I'll use that.
I saw flames in there. Must
Yeah,
just be
I think
seam
it's
sealer. Okay. I think it's just seam sealer. It's out. See some color in it.
Now,
And into the pin right between those two.
yeah.
We're clearing.
Yeah, I thought it was right. It did what I thought. You can do about it.
It needed heat. It's coming, but it was still slow even with the heat.
Come on, you cross-eyed son of a bitch. Hit the thing.
Damn it.
One right there.
Yep. Then we'll throw some heat at her and see if we can pull that one.
Oh yeah. Something's there moved, didn't it?
Just getting to the happy spot, yeah. Of course, it's got 3 little holes in there, but
We can touch them up.
or 4 or whatever.
We can touch them up.
It's a beautiful day. A little ding right there.
Yeah, we'll get that one too while we're at it.
I never know. I don't never noticed.
I saw it yesterday.
Yeah, I saw it when you got
So I
here.
cleaned it. Get a good red this time.
Okay.
Pretty red.
Shit, that line's almost back where it needs to be.
Yeah. Little plastic filler, you'll never know it was in there. You're not going to get it all out.
No, but now you're down to, you know, less than half a pound of filler on this corner.
Yeah, you're going to have filler on this corner. There is no ifs, ands, or buts
ain't
about
no
it.
doubt. I always knew that.
All right, now we'll let her cool.
I could have found a quarter panel.
Well, it would have been so much easier to just cut the corner out and put a new one in.
Yeah.
That ain't the way it's going to happen.
Shit, we're most of the way there now.
Yeah.
47 tiny details.
It's more better.
It's more better. Your tail light's squared up anyways.
Yeah.
I think we might be a touch out on the
That's
bottom.
what I was just looking at.
It's not much. It's just on this
It's
bottom
a little
edge
high on the bottom.
where he was beating all the way here.
Yep.
But I mean, now it's just tippy tap it back in
Big hammer and
Yeah.
smack that bottom bolt.
gently.
Because I didn't take the whole thing out, the bracing behind it out yet. And it does look high.
Mm-hmm.
Let me smack that with a big hammer. What do we got? This one, do.
You're still recording, so.
See that whole thing come out?
Yep. Pretty good there, as near as I can tell. It's still settling, but it's right at 90. 2 degrees.
Yeah.
Positive. Yeah, this is still just showing 90, but
We're 1.7.
1.7.
We're high right here. .3. Oh, we went too
Went
much.
a little too much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Oh, we just take this one.
Yeah, just beat that on in.
Beat this one over here to Mac.
There's still a little bit of rock on there.
Yeah.
That's two degrees off, but that's different sizes. Never mind. Yeah, there you go.
Two. .2.
I got one of those level apps on my phone too, but I never remembered it.
This is 1.8 out there. And this one is 1.3.
3.6.
I'm not gonna.
It kind of bounced. I don't think anybody. It's hard to tell 0.3 angles.
Yeah.
0.3
Degree
of
angle.
a degree. Yeah.
0.04 degrees.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't think I'm going to worry about that. God damn it, I just moved mine. What did I do with it?
What's your water?
Yeah.
What's your water?
Yeah. This is just about done on this corner. I got a little bit of welding here, a little bit of welding down here. All the rest of it we're going to leave as is. Little filler over it. I know it don't look good, but believe it or not, the light fits good. So, we got decent scene. We're going to leave it. Move on to the next one, which will be, ta-da, this one here. We got to take the lead out of the corner and try to pull that out. Fun. We'll get back to you.